What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Wild Yosa. Today we are back at Chester Woods, but I brought a special guest with me. My wife. Her name is Katie.
Hi.
You guys haven't really met her on this channel yet, but I'm sure you'll see her in a few more episodes at least. So yeah, like I said, we're back at Chester Woods. We both brought kayaks. Boom, boom. It's Katie's first time really on a kayak, so it should be interesting. Stay tuned. Ready? It's not super tippy, dude. Huh? Did you lock the van? And you got the keys on you? Okay. Good deal. You're gonna what? Dude, these are so easy to steer, honey. Cut left, or cut right. Oh shit. There's nobody fishing right there. Alright guys, starting off the day with something a little bit different just because I know I can catch them on the wacky out here. I feel like it's kind of been lazy on my part, so I've got a swim jig on. Not sure exactly what the weight on it is, but kind of going for like a bluegill imitation. Got a bandito bug on the back, like a, what is it, green pumpkin. So I'm just going to throw this at some hardwood and maybe up at the banks a little bit and see if I can get in there. Stay tuned. God damn it. On. Decent. No, it was just in some weeds, but I got one. I thought it was a lot bigger than it is. First fish of the day, switched back to the wacky rig because I was not having any luck on the jig. Yeah, tiny little guy. Bye. Ooh. Okay. Pulling my boat. Just a little guy still, but he got some fight in him. That's two. Ow, fuck. It's about the same size, little half pound. I hooked him good. Shit. Alright. Ah. It's a feisty fucker.
Later that same evening.
Alright, status update. 7:33. Was not a very productive day. It was a beautiful night, but didn't catch a ton of fish. Was trying to hone my skills with other artificial instead of just like a wacky rig or some of the other ones I've used. But anyway, threw a Texas rig, didn't get anything on that. Threw a chatterbait, had a couple bites, but didn't land anything on that. Frog again, a couple bites, but no landing. Didn't land anything. So yeah, that's how that went. It's a work in progress, but I'm not gonna give up on them. I just know I can catch stuff on the wacky rig out here. They bite it. I've caught some decent sized ones, but I was really looking for the big ones today. Didn't get them. I'll be back. Probably this weekend. I don't know if I'll come to Chester Woods. I'll try some different spots. Yeah, the wife enjoyed it. She didn't fish, she just kayaked, but she said she enjoyed it. We'll see once we get back to the boat landing how she feels. I know her arms are going to be tired. Yeah, I'll get back with you guys when we get back to the boat landing. Alright guys, it's about 8:05, so we spent 3-4 hours out there. Only caught 2 fish. It's fine. The last couple times I was out here, it's been a little bit rough. It's been warm, it's been flooding, the vegetation's ridiculous, but it's always a good time still. Did you have fun?
Yeah, I do it again.
So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Probably gonna be back out on the water Saturday, so it's Tuesday today. Don't think I'll be coming back out to Chester Woods for a while, just kind of Chester Woods doubt, so tune in for that. Yeah, peace.